Hello students, third exercise up to 5 problems completed. Now sixth question. The population of Hyderabad was 68 lakhs 9,000 in year 2011. If it is increased at the rate of 4.7% per annum, means 1 year 4.7% increase. What will be population at the end of the year 2015? The population of Hyderabad they give it 68 lakhs 9,000. If every year increase in 4.7%, then the population of the city in 2015 means 68 lakhs 9,000 into 1 plus 4.7 by 100 whole power 4. Here 4 means 4 years, means here principal 68 lakhs 9,000 and rate of interest 4.7% and n equal to 4. How it is for 2015 to 2011? Here 4 years distance, 2015 minus 2011 will get 4 years. 68 lakhs 9,000 into, here observe, 1 plus 4.7 by 100. 100 into 1, 100. 100 plus 4.7. 100 not 4.7. 0.7 by 100. Whole power 4 means 4 times, right? Into 104.7 by 100 into 104.7 by 100 into 104.7 by 100. 4 times. Here 1 plus 4.7 by 100 means 1 into 100. 100 plus 4.7 by 100. 100 plus 4.7 will get 104.7 by 100. 104.7 by 100 whole power 4 means 4 times. 68 lakhs 9,000 into 104.7 by 100 into 104.7 by 100 into 104.7 by 100 into 104.7 by 100 means do cancellation will get 81 lakhs 82,199. Seventh question. Find compound interest paid when a sum 10,000 rupees is invested for 1 year 3 months at rate of the interest 8.1/2% annum compounded annually. Answer. Principal equal to 10,000, rate 8.1/2% means do this mixed fraction converted to improper. 2 8 16, 16 plus 1 17/2%. Time per annum means 1 year. Therefore interest equal to PTR by 100. Interest equal to PTR by 100. Principal 10,000 into time 1 year, rate 17/2 into 100. PTR by 100. Here 2 zeros get cancelled. Here 2 is there, 100 is there, 2 50s, 2 ones. Means what numerator? 50 into 1 into 17. 17 into 50. 17 5s 85 means 850. What is this? Interest. Interest equal to 850 rupees. For that amount equal to principal plus interest. Amount equal principal plus interest. So what is principal? 10,000 plus interest 850. 10,850 rupees. This is amount. Now this amount is principal. What is principal? 10,850. We'll get amount. Amount is now principal. Rate equal to 17/2% time 3 months. Time equal to 3 months. 3 months converted to years. 3/12 equal to 3 ones 3/4 means 1/4 years. Time always years. Now interest equal to PTR by 100. PTR by 100. For this, what is principal? 10,850 into time 3/12. 3/12 into rate of interest 17/2 means 17/2 downright denominator into 100. Here principal 10,850 time 3/12 means nothing but 1/4. Here I written 3/12, 17/2 rate of interest by 100. Here again do cancellation. 3 ones 3/4. 1/4 is a time. Principal 2 zeros. Here 1 0 is there. 1 0. Sorry, 1 0 1 0 get cancelled. Again 5 table. 5 twos. 5 twos. 5 ones. 5 sevens. Again here 17. 2 17. Here total, right? Do cancellation. Here 4 is there. Finally 230.50. What is this? Interest. 230.50. This is interest. Here interest we get. Now amount equal principal plus interest. What is principal? Interest 230.50 plus principal 10,850. These two add will get 11,080.50. This is amount. Eighth question. Arif took a loan 80,000 rupees from a bank. If the rate of interest 10% per annum, find the difference is accounts he would paying after 1.5 years. If the interest, first one compounded annually, second one compounded half yearly. Answer. Principal amount equal to 80,000, rate of interest 10%, time 1 year. First they are find 1 year, after 6 months 1.5 year. Now interest equal PTR by 100. What is principal? 80,000 into time 1 year into rate of interest 10 by 100. Here 2 zeros get cancelled. 800 into 10 will get 8,000 rupees. What is this? Interest. Now amount equal principal plus interest. Amount equal to principal plus interest. What is principal? 80,000 plus 8,000 will get 88,000. This is amount. Next, interest on 6 months means half year. Now principal equal 88,000. This amount again, this is principal. Next, rate of interest 10%, time equal to 6 months. Months converted to years, time equal to 6/12. 6 ones, 6 twos, 1/2 years. Time always converted to years. For this, interest equal to PTR by 100. PTR by 100. For this, here principal what? 88,000 into time. Half year 1/2 into 10 by 100. Here 1 0 get cancelled. 0 get cancelled. Here 2 is the denominator. Here 2 also cancel. 44,000. 4 400 means 4,400 rupees. What is this? Interest. For that, first question they asking, first question, this is rupees 4,400 rupees interest. First one, the amount to paid after 1 year, 6 months, equal to principal plus interest. What is principal? Principal plus interest. 88,000 plus 4,400 will get 92,400. 92,400. This is first amount. Next, second one. He has to pay compounded on every 6 months in 1.5 year. 6 months in 1.5 year means 1.5 year. How many 6 months will be? 3 6 months. 1.5 year. How many 6 months will be? 3 times. Means therefore 3 time periods. 3 time periods will be occurred. Means n equal to 3. Here n equal to 3. For that, the rate of interest 10/2 equal to 5%. Next, principal equal to 80,000 rupees. Amount equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 whole power n. This is formula. Here principal 80,000 into 1 plus rate of interest 5 by 100 whole power 3 whole cube means n equal to 3. Now 80,000 here 100 into, here again do cancellation, 5 ones 5 20s means 1 plus 1 by 20 whole cube. Here 80,000 into, here 1 into 20 20, 20 plus 1 21, 21 by 20 whole cube. Whole cube means write 3 times, otherwise write one step here. 80,000 into 21 by 20 into 21 by 20 into 21 by 20. Here cancellation 3 zeros, here also 3 zeros, 2 40s, again here 1 2 is there, 2 20s, 2 1 is there, 2 10s means totally here 21 into 21 into 21 into here 10 is there, 10 will get 92,610 rupees. So what is this? Second amount 92,610 rupees. Next, difference equal to difference between the amounts. So what are difference between A2 minus A1? Second amount minus first amount. 92,610 minus 92,400 will get A1 92,400. These two subtraction will get 210 rupees. This is difference.